I wanted to quickly go over the uploading or downloading rather, and copying and pasting of the Brister CTB file. This is the plot style file, plot style table that you're going to need when you print, because if you use my layers but don't use my plot style table, then it's going to look all wrong, and so you need to make sure you use this. What you're going to have to do is come here to the references, find Brister CTB, and you're going to want to click on that, and you're going to want to actually download it. It's going to try to open it, which it can't because it's not going to show anything. So you can download the original by clicking here, or you can come up here and click it. It does not matter. But when you click that, you want to save it. Make sure you do a save as, at least so you'll know where you're saving it. I'm going to save mine on the desktop so it's easy to find. And it's just going to save it as Brister. It's an AutoCAD color dependent plot style table file. That's what you need to know. It's a CTB file. So I'll save it. And then what I will do after it has saved it is I will open up AutoCAD, and then if I've drawn everything in my model space and I'm ready to print, then what I would do is when I set up my layout, I'll want to check and make sure that it's in this list. Yours may or may not be. This one it happens to be, and so I want to make sure I choose that so that everything will plot correctly. If you don't see this, then what you're going to have to do is wherever you downloaded the file, mine's right here, just find it, and you're just going to do this. Basically, it's just a simple copy and paste. So what I'm going to do is right click on this. I can cut it or copy it. I mean, at this point, it doesn't matter. I'm going to cut it, but you can copy it. Either one, does not matter. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to go back to CAD. If it's not in the list already, I would come up here to the menu browser, go down to print, and the last one in that list under print is manage plot styles. So you want to click that, and this little dialog box, I say little, maybe big, little dialog box will come up, and it'll show you what type of or what names of plot styles are that you already have installed inside of CAD and ready to use. Mine happens to already be on this one, but we're going to pretend it's not there, so I'm going to delete it. So Brister would not be there, and so since I've right clicked on the file off my desktop and copied it or cut it, I can just right click here and paste, and it'll throw Brister CTB file right into the side of this list right here. And that's really all there is to the whole process. And now, since I've copied and pasted it in the right place, when I come back to Page Setup Manager, modify this layout, it will show up in this list now, and I can choose it. But I got to make sure that it says Brister CTB, or all those layers that you're using are going to do absolutely no good. So please make sure that you have this, have it available on your machine, so that when you create the files that they look correct. If you have any questions, again, please email, call me, come by, and we'll solve anything that we can. Thank you.